Hello everyone and welcome to Bubli's World Cuisine. Today I have a green juice recipe for you and I'm going to make it using some kale and fresh green apples. I also have some other ingredients. It's a tasty green juice which will help you intake your leafy greens in a better way. Anyways, I have kale here which is packed with wide range of antioxidants, vitamins and minerals, and the best way to consume it is making a juice out of it. Next, I have some green apples and it contains a lot of essential nutrients and vitamins, and it's a great item to include in your juice. Next, I have celery, and celery is an artery cleansing vegetable, and including it in your juice is a great way to consume it. I also have some lemon to give it a kick of tanginess, and some ginger which is packed with medicinal benefits, and half of a cucumber. Let's prepare the leaves and some of the fruits. I'm going to start with kale. All you want to do is take out this thick stem. It's not very good for juicing. So take a sharp knife and then make cut from the sides, and the thick stem will come out. You don't need to chop them because we are going to put it in the juicer. Now, kale is extremely good for your eyes, skin's, heart, and it reduces the risk of heart disease and also cancer. It helps in weight loss, lowers your cholesterol, and very good for your bone. So I don't think I need to explain any more for using kale for your juice or salads. Stems are out and I'm going to set it aside. Next, I want to prepare my celery stalks. Now, you want to be very careful with celery stalks because they have a lot of dirt in them. So what you want to do is take them out and you want to wash this dirt very carefully because we are juicing them. Once clean, you want to take off the bottom bits, the white bits, and some top bits as well. Let's set it aside and move on to prepare ginger. All you gotta do is take a spoon and just scrape off the skin, and that's all. You don't have to do anything else. And I also want to prepare my lemon, although I'm not going to put it in the juicer, but I want to prepare it and keep it aside. So after cutting it in the middle, I want to do some slants like this and take off the seeds so that it's easier for me to take the juice out. Just make some rough cuts in the middle and it's ready. Now let's prepare the juicer, which is a few seconds job, and then I'll get started with juicing. So I always put a little bit of leafy green, then a little bit of fruits that has lots of water in it. So I put like a combination and then I start to make the juice. Although you can go as you like, but kale is very dry, so you want to put a little bit of this and that in the middle. So put all your ingredients batch by batch and the juice will be ready in no time if you have a juicer. Now it's time to add lemon juice. I'm using one, you can use lime or lemon. I'm using one lemon here. Give it a good stir. If you want to add more, go for it. There is no harm but benefits. And it's done. So I'm going to pour it in my glass, but one final stir because it has a lot of water content, so you want to stir it before pouring. And now fresh, healthy, nutrient-packed green juice is all ready and I'm going to consume it now. I have used all fresh ingredients, mostly greens because it's a green juice and it's packed with nutrients. I want to share one tip. If you are serving this to your toddlers or children at home, you want to add a little bit of honey to make it a little bit sweeter because we have used green apples, not red. So it's going to be a little bit of bland for them. Just add a little bit of honey, give it to them. I have a 2.5-year-old toddler and I give this juice to him regular basis and they will love it. Take care everyone. Thanks for watching the video and bye.